Hello students, today we are going to learn tone, tints and shade, what it is exactly. Okay, before this in design you use shades and tints. You must know that what is shades, what is tints. But here I am going to explain you in detail what is tint, what is tone and what is shade. Okay. So through my assignment, see, I will give demonstration of coloring. From that you will come to know what exactly it is. Now here I will show you one chart. In this you will see these all colors you will see lighter. Okay, and here you will see all these shades, these are in medium tone and these are darker. Okay, exactly, this is only shade, tints and tones. Now these are tones, these are shades and these are tints. When white is more lighter shades, when we get, these are tints and these are tones which are in medium scale, that is called tones, and these are shades which are darker. Okay, so let's do it and see how to make shade, tints and tones. Okay, let's start. Students, here I made one scale. Okay, I divided one, see, it is total, it is 21 by 3. You have to take 21 by 3 size box. Okay, in that you have to make 3 by 3 boxes. Okay, now this one is middle. Okay, this one is middle, means our original color, whatever color you will select, we are going to apply it in the middle. Now I will show you how to apply it. Okay, these are poster colors, so you have to apply thick, and here you will see I apply, first border should be there, you apply your color in the outside near the line, so that you will get finishing. Okay, and then apply it in one direction. Use pointed brush and accordingly you will change it. Okay, and always apply your color in one direction. Apply it in one direction. See, this is my green original color, it is in the middle. Now I will add white in the same color and I will get tints. Okay, I will get tints. So slowly I will make it lighter, not directly, we don't want any jumping step. Slowly means just one brush white color I am taking, I add in this, and now I am going to apply below this. Okay, students, you can make more steps if you want, or here you have to make more color steps, color gradation. Okay, means one I am showing, you have to draw more 3 here. Okay, on equal distance, and you will select different colors and practice it. Okay, So this is called gradation also. Light to dark, when we go, it's called gradation also. But here I am showing you tint, tone and shades. Okay. Now I want next step. I will add more white in this. Slowly I am getting lighter. Slowly you are getting lighter tones. See, now I'll add more white. I will get more lighter. Like this you can make maximum shades, tints and tones. Okay. But there should be difference between two colors. Okay. See, my steps are not jumping, and even you will see step by steps it's looking lighter. See. Okay, slowly it become lighter. And now one more thing is here. You can make small boxes, 2 by 2 small boxes, then you will get more shades, more tints here. Okay, I am making just 3 up and 3 down. Okay, now we will start shades. Okay, here I will add black. Slowly I will make it darker. In that original green, I am going to add little black. We don't want jumping steps, so take care. Slowly you will add little black, because black is very danger color. It can spoil your coloring. Always keep cloth with you or sponge. Your brush should be clean, then only on the paper there will be no stain and you will complete your coloring neatly. Okay, now here I am going to apply in the corner first. And this way I'll complete my shades. Now I'll add more more black. Mix it properly. Even here you have advantage of the paper. You can turn it however you want. Okay, I am going to turn direction. I think this shade is more darker. So what I will do, I will color it here, but for this I will make more lighter tone. Okay, which will go here, because we don't want jumping steps. And now in the last I am making more darker. Try to make proper finishing. So this way you are going to make light to dark shades, tints and tones. Okay. Now I will explain you here. See, if you will see this scale all over, if you will see, you will get light to dark, but it's a medium tones, means I got this medium tones here, right? So these medium tones are called tones. Okay, and below darker, maybe more darker shades will be there, it's called shades. And here upper, whatever light shade, light colors you are getting with mixing, white mixing, you will call it tints. Is it clear, student? So these are tones, these are tints and these are shades. Maybe you will get more steps, you can do it. Okay, like this you have to make more 3 scales and choose different color. Instead of green you can take red, blue and another one, any 3 colors, and like this you have to make your assignment. Okay, so do it, and this is study of your tint, tones and shades making. Okay, and just before I showed you this assignment, this is also related to the shade, tints and tones. So students, I hope there is no doubt now about tint, tones and shade. So whenever you will use colors, you can say this is my tone of color, this is my shade of particular color, this is tint, and this is shade of particular color. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you what is shade, tint and tones. Okay, bye bye students.